Hello, Boone High. You may have noticed that there's new TVs all over the school. This can be a great thing for students who want to catch Boone TV wherever they are. But what do the students and teachers really think about them?
I think it's a great thing. It's a great idea. I see a lot of neat things on the TV when I walk by.
I really enjoy it. I think because we're kind of in a building in and of ourselves, I feel connected, a little more connected to what's going on.
If I've got the time, I often stop and watch. I like the interviews with different students, and I like watching a lot of the sport, the pictures, the clips that are shown on there.
I like the fact that you guys are putting news and announcements and kind of keeping kids in touch. And it doesn't take class time to, like the old announcements used to.
I don't hear it in my room, but when there's nobody in here, which is not very often, there's nobody in here, the door's open, I do hear, sometimes the music, but yeah, I think the TV's a neat thing. You guys are doing a great job.
I don't see the noise being a problem. Of course, my room's not usually a quiet room, so it is, and we're, more of an active class, so the noise and that kind of stuff doesn't bother me at all.
The TVs have bothered a few teachers and students, as they do make a lot of noise. But they let students and teachers see a lot of information about the school that they might not get otherwise, and they're generally beneficial to the atmosphere of Boone High. This has been Nick DeRoos with Boone TV News. Now back to the studio.